Hey, listen up. I just found the best solution for getting your nails done. This right here, it's not acrylic, it's not press-ons, it's gel nail polish. My natural nails aren't this long, and I didn't go into a salon and spend over $100 to do this. I just use a kit that I found on Amazon that's 20 bucks, and I can reuse it every month and get these results. And in this video, I'm gonna take you through the process to get these nails because I think the world needs to know about this. This process does take about an hour and a half, 2 hours, depending on how quick and fluent you are. For me, as I keep doing it, I get quicker and quicker. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this and save you some coins. Please continue watching, you're gonna wanna know this. Let's get into the video. Welcome to Chisholm Prism. My name is Taylor Chisholm, and today in this video, I am gonna show you this process using gel polish and this like UV light system to create and elongate your nails. And it's seamless, it lasts a really long time, for me about a month, and then I switch it out and put in new ones. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I will show you how I remove these nails each month so I can start fresh and do it again. So you can see my nails are prepped and ready to go. The company that I'm going to be using for this is this brand right here, but it's a really good brand. It comes with its own UV light, and then within the kit itself, you get a nail filer, the slip solution, and a range of different colors. So these are actually, so this gel that comes out, that's what we're gonna use to be shaping our nails. And then you get your pack of plastic forms that you'll use. It comes with a top and a base coat, and some other tools that you'll need along the way. In here, this will explain the process, but I'm gonna show you guys. Here's the UV light. It comes with a cord. It's a USB, and then you plug this in here.
Okay, so to start this process, you're going to want to prep your nails. So I took this round tool that came with the kit itself, and I went and just pushed back my cuticle, cleaned things up, filed my nails down, and actually I would have kept my nails a little bit longer, maybe a centimeter. It lasts longer if my real nails are a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. But you're going to put this base coat on, and that will just be the foundation for this. And use the UV light to cure that. It only takes like 30 seconds. And then we're going to form the nails. So in the kit, it comes with all of these plastic nail pieces. So just match up the right ones for each finger. So when you're ready, you get to pick your colors. So I chose to use 2 colors, so I wanted some accent nails with the glitter. So you match up the right form, and then you're going to squeeze out of the tube that sticky gel, and you're just going to use the brush that comes in the kit and paint as long or as short of a nail that you want. You want to have a good amount on there, so I say about like a pea size, and it's easier to add more than it is to take away. At the end, it's just more shaving you're going to have to do down, so just try to play around and get the right consistency. This has been working for me about that amount that you've seen, so I'm just spreading that out, and then I'm going to cure it to my nail and just bend it off. And it's easy as that, and it's stuck on there. So I'm going to show you one more time the process. This is when I was using the glitter color. Again, squeeze it out of the tube. About a pea size is fine, and then you're just going to paint it on. I made mine super long today. So gently press it down, and you're just going to cure it again. I like to cure it twice for each finger, just so I make sure that it's completely hardened. So you can see a full hand done, and I fast forward so you don't have to sit through me doing every finger, but they're all done. And as you can see, they're not perfect. So the edges are rigid, and yeah, they just don't look as clean, but you can fix that all up later when you file it down. But the next step, you're going to need to take off that sticky stuff that's left on. So it comes with this little slip solution and these little towels, and I just used it to wipe down my nails and clean them up. And then I go and I wash my hands too, just to make sure that all that gook is gone. And this is my favorite part actually. So filing, I take some of my clippers, I just trim it down as far as I want to go. I wanted my nails to be pretty long, so I didn't go too far down. And the rest I'm going to take care of with the file that came in the kit. So right now this is the length that I want. And I'm going to take the file. There's a rough side and a smoother side, but I take that rough side and I really get in there and just shave away. Shave as far down as you want. I like to make a coffin shape out of them recently, so I just kind of keep going on each finger. It does take a little bit of time to do this, but it's pretty simple. Yeah, this is the time to get rid of all of those mistakes, because I'm still not the best at being perfect when I first press on the polish, so I have to use the file to correct a lot of my mistakes. So you can see that's all that dust that came off of these fingers, because I was really shaving away. And here's that last step. So once you filed it down to your desired shape and length, you can use the top coat. And this really solidifies the nails, so it's so satisfying to see. So just apply that top coat as you would any other regular nail polish. Get it on all the nails. A nice thin coat, and then you're going to use the UV light one more time. I like to do the top and the back just in case, so you know the full nail is good to go. I'm doing the other hand now. And here's the end results. I really do love this process. I think it's super easy to do. It saves me a ton of money and it's so affordable. So I would definitely recommend anyone to try these out yourself. And as promised, I am going to show you guys how I do remove these nails when they start to grow out or fall off or whatever. And these nails, they do last about 3 to 4 weeks, so I love using them, but when you do have to remove them, it can be a little bit annoying. In this kit that I do have, it comes with some oils, the gel remover itself, and then some latex liquid tape that you can use to put around your nails to protect it. So this process, I use this latex and I wrap my nails around it because you don't want this remover to touch your skin because it does kind of burn, so you got to be careful with this. Yeah. So then you take the gel nail polish itself and you're just gonna apply a really thick coat on all your nails. I will say this kit that I have is old. It is about 5 months old, and the remover itself isn't as strong as it first was, so it took me a lot longer to get it all off. So I am gonna have to buy some new stuff, so keep that in mind that it does expire. The sensation, the feeling that you get from this, it feels like your nail is being pulled up, so you will start to see some bubbling on the top of your nail, and that means it's working. The feeling is a little bit uncomfortable, so don't freak out. That is the process working. Yeah, I mean, like, you're using chemicals to remove your nails, so it's something you just gotta like use caution with. And I started just like scraping off the nail itself. Like I said, my gel was old and it wasn't doing the job as it usually does for me, so I had to start using this other cutter that came in the kit to just completely remove it. I know my nails look brutal right now, but trust me, they are still standing strong. I just took off that latex stuff. I made sure I washed my hands. I used the oil to really heal my nails, and then I didn't apply the gel poly again for about another week or so, just so I made sure my nails had some time just to heal and rest before I put this back on. And yeah, here are my nails after I removed everything. One more time with the oils after I washed my hands. And they're ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this is helpful for you guys, and have a beautiful day. Bye.